Hi. Clean water and sanitation. Trees are particularly great at combating climate change. Our forests are diminishing at an alarming rate. What can we do to avoid cutting trees? Instead of trees or wood, we can use replacements like nutshells for making furnitures more often than wood. We all like to burst crackers, right? There's light, there's sound, and bursting crackers in all is a lot of fun. Firecrackers emit over 60,000 metric carbon dioxide a year, and 2.5% of annual pollution in India is due to the use of firecrackers. What can we do to reduce pollution by firecrackers? We can use green firecrackers instead of normal firecrackers because they pollute less, as pollutants are reduced by 30 to 35%. And it releases water vapor as a dust suppressant. Factories are an important factor of a sustainable city. We have factories for all from paints to cars. Approximately over 50% of air pollution of the world is caused by factories. How can we reduce pollution by factories? We can treat factory smoke before letting it out in the environment by chemical means. K-Seal can fix water loss and smoke from the exhaust. Using bottles is an efficient way of carrying water with us wherever we go. Bottles are a vital part of our lives. Most of the water bottles in the world are made up of plastic, and plastic is very dangerous for our environment as it takes thousands of years to decay plastic. How can we reduce pollution due to plastic from plastic bottles? We can use steel, copper, glass, etc. instead of plastic to make bottles. This will reduce the usage of plastic. Steel, glass and copper have their own benefits like: first, stainless steel is a safe and healthy material for storing beverages. Second, glass is largely considered the healthiest material for storing beverages. Third, copper's benefits also leave a trail in the water you drink, giving us more minerals. We all like to travel, don't we? It's really fun to travel to different places by any means of transport. Cars, trains, planes, etc. Motor vehicles are the single biggest source of atmospheric pollution, contributing an estimated 14% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuel burning, a proportion that is steadily rising. What can we do to reduce pollution by vehicles? We can use public transportation instead of individual cars to travel, like buses. Like to travel to schools or offices, we can use buses instead of every individual using a car. This step would make great difference to our environment. So you must be thinking, how do we implement all these measures to keep our environment sanitized and clean? Our company will appoint people to ensure that all the measures are in check.